When working on electrical projects, choosing the right wire gauge is critical for safety, performance, and reliability. Among the various wire gauges available, 10GA gauge wire stands out as a robust and versatile option for both residential and commercial applications. In this blog, we'll explore everything you need to know about 10GA wire, including its characteristics, common uses, and advantages. What is 10GA wire? 10GA wire, or 10-gauge wire, is a type of electrical wire with a diameter of approximately 2.59 mm (0.1019 inches). The lower the gauge number, the thicker the wire, which means 10GA wire is thicker and capable of carrying more current than higher gauge wires like 12GA or 14GA. This makes 10GA wire suitable for high-power applications where a stronger, more durable wire is necessary. 10GA wire is available in both solid and stranded forms. Solid wire consists of a single, thick metal conductor, while stranded wire is made up of multiple smaller strands twisted together. Both types have specific advantages depending on the application. Common applications of 10GA wire. 10GA wire is used in a wide range of applications that require higher current capacity and durability. Here are some of the most common uses. Heavy-duty circuits. 10GA wire is often used for heavy-duty circuits that require more power than standard household circuits. This includes circuits for large appliances like electric water heaters, air conditioners, and electric dryers. Its ability to carry up to 30 amps makes it suitable for these demanding applications. Long runs in residential wiring. When wiring a home, long runs of wire can result in voltage drop, especially if thinner wire is used. 10GA wire is often chosen for longer runs in residential wiring to minimize voltage drop and ensure consistent power delivery to outlets, lighting, and appliances. Subpanel wiring. In homes or commercial buildings, 10GA wire is commonly used to connect subpanels to the main electrical panel. The wire's thickness and current carrying capacity ensure that the subpanel receives sufficient power, which is essential for the safe operation of circuits in different parts of the building. High-power lighting systems. For high-power lighting systems, such as those used in commercial or industrial settings, 10GA wire provides the necessary capacity to handle the increased electrical load. This includes outdoor lighting systems, floodlights, and large-scale lighting installations. Electric vehicle (EV) chargers. With the growing popularity of electric vehicles, the installation of EV chargers in homes and commercial spaces has become more common. 10GA wire is often used for wiring level 2 EV chargers, which require a higher current capacity to charge vehicles efficiently. Trailer wiring. 10GA wire is also popular in trailer wiring applications. Whether you're wiring a boat trailer, utility trailer, or camper, 10GA wire is strong enough to handle the power requirements of trailer lights, brakes, and other accessories, ensuring reliable performance on the road. Why choose 10GA wire? Choosing the right wire gauge for your project is essential, and 10GA wire offers several key advantages. Higher current capacity. 10GA wire is rated for up to 30 amps, making it suitable for circuits that require more power. This higher current capacity is essential for safely powering large appliances, high-wattage lighting, and other demanding electrical devices. Reduced voltage drop. When running wires over long distances, voltage drop can be a concern, especially with thinner wires. 10GA wire reduces the risk of voltage drop, ensuring that your electrical devices receive consistent power, even in long runs. Durability and strength. The thickness of 10GA wire provides added durability, making it less prone to damage from physical stress, abrasion, or environmental factors. This makes it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor applications where the wire may be exposed to harsh conditions. Versatility. 10GA wire is versatile and can be used in a wide range of applications, from residential wiring to automotive and trailer wiring. Its ability to handle higher currents and its durability make it a go-to choice for various projects. Safety. Using the correct wire gauge is crucial for electrical safety. 10 GA wire ensures that circuits carrying higher currents are safe and less likely to overheat, reducing the risk of electrical fires or equipment damage. Conclusion. 10 GA wire is a powerful and versatile option for a wide range of electrical projects, particularly those requiring higher current capacity and durability. Whether you're wiring heavy-duty appliances, installing an EV charger, or running long-distance circuits, 10 GA wire offers the strength, safety, and reliability you need.